Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study A. In our earlier video, we have learnt about irrational numbers and the real numbers. In our today's video, we will see example 3 and example 4 from the first chapter number system from class 9th mathematics. So first we will see the example 3. Which is locate root 2 on number line. So we are going to locate root 2 on the number line. So first we will make the number line. Hope these markings are clear to you. It is asked to locate root 2. So first we will take 2 centimeter distance. From here to here it will be 2 centimeter, and then further on we are going to take 1 centimeter. We'll write here A, then here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here to here the distance is 2 centimeter and further on 1 centimeter each. Now we are going to find the midpoint of A to 1. So let's see how we are going to find the midpoint. We'll take more than half and then we'll cut an arc here. The same way we'll cut this side also. Now we'll draw a straight line. We will name this point as M. By taking M as a center, we will draw a semicircle. So the semicircle would be like this. Now in the next step, we'll draw a perpendicular to 0. We'll draw a straight line. Now this line cuts this semicircle at this point and we'll name this point as C. Now we will make a right angle triangle by joining M with C. So it would be like this. Now we'll take the measurement of this O to C. Now we'll cut an arc here on the number line. So the arc will be here. This is the root 2 on the number line. Now we will measure this root 2. What is the measurement of root 2? The measurement of root 2 is 1.4 centimeter. So let's recall all the steps. First we will, here it is asked to locate root 2, so we will first take 2 centimeter distance and then further on we will calculate 1 centimeter distance on the number line. Then we will find the midpoint of this A to 1. So the midpoint is here. We will make a straight line. In the next step, we will draw perpendicular to this 0, which will be here. Now we will join this M with the C. Now we will take the measurement of this O and C. This measurement we will take and then we'll cut an arc here on the number line. So the arc is at 1.4 centimeter. So this is the point where root 2 is located on the number line. Hope you understand this. Now let's move on to the Next example number 4, that is to locate root 3 on the number line. So the question is to locate root 3 on number line. This is the example 4. So in the same way, first we will take a scale and a pencil and we'll draw a line. Now here it is asked to find we are going to find root 3. So first we'll take 3 centimeter distance, which will do from here till here. Then we'll go on taking 1 centimeter distance. Right here as A. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we are going to find the midpoint of A to 1. We'll make a straight line passing through this. Here at the point at which these two arcs intersect, it will be the midpoint. So we are going to make a straight line which will pass through this number line. So this is the midpoint. Let's name it as B. Then we'll make a semicircle by taking B as the center. After making the semicircle, we'll draw perpendicular to this 0. With the help of scale also directly you can draw. And name this point as C. Now we will join this B with the C. After joining it, we get a right angle triangle. We'll take the measurement of this O and C. After taking its measurement, we will cut an arc on the number line. We have taken the measurement and now we will cut an arc. The arc will be here. So this is root 3 on the number line. We are going to locate root 5 on the number line. We are going to locate root 5 on number line. This is the third question. So first we will take a scale as it is asked to find root 5. So first we will take 5 centimeter distance from here till here. It will be 5 centimeter distance and here we will go on taking 1 centimeter distance. We'll name them here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll find the midpoint of A to 1. The midpoint would be here. We'll name this midpoint as B. Taking this B as the center, we'll draw a semicircle. So this will be semicircle. In the next step, we will draw perpendicular to the 0. We'll name it as C. We will join this B with the C. So it would be a right angle triangle naming BOC. We will take the measurement of this O with the C and then we will cut an arc here. Let's measure it. It would be at root 5 is equal to 2.2 centimeter. This is the root 5.